Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn foreign key constraint and how we can create this. First, what is foreign key? A foreign key is a key used to link two tables together. Foreign key is a column or a collection of columns in one table that refers to primary key in another table. For example, when we want to build relationship between two tables, we use this concept primary key and foreign key. We will see practically how we can create this. First, we will create two tables, that is customer table and second is orders table. In customer table there is three field, that is customer ID, name, address, and customer ID is a primary key. In second table, orders table, there are three fields, order ID, amount, and CID. CID is a customer ID that is same in customer table. Here order ID is a primary key and CID is a foreign key that points to primary key in another table. Customer table is a parent table and orders table is a child table. There are conditions to build relationship between two tables. That is, parent table should contain primary key and child table should contain foreign key. And in customer table there is customer ID. And in orders table there is CID that should be of same data type. Same type of value we can insert into this. And we cannot insert the value in CID in a child table that is not available in customer ID in the customer table. So now we will see practically. We will create table that is customer table. Customer ID is a primary key here. Customer table created. Now we will create second table, that is orders table. You can see in customer table there should be primary key and orders table there should be a foreign key. Now we will create orders table. Order ID is a primary key here. There are more two fields, that is amount and CID. CID should be of same data type that is in customer table, that is customer ID. We use int here. Now we will create foreign key. Write foreign key. In which column we have to create foreign key, that is CID. That points to primary key in another table, references. Primary key is customer ID here. In the customer table, table name, and in the brackets column name, that is customer ID, and then semicolon. You can see orders table created. Now we will insert some data into it. I am inserting data into the customer table. One row inserted. In the same way I will insert two more rows. After inserting three rows in the customer table, now I will fetch the data from the customer table. Select star from customer. You can see there are three rows. Customer ID is a primary key here. Now I am inserting a row in the orders table. There one is order ID and 2477 is amount, and you can insert the value in CID if it is available in the customer ID in the customer table. You can see 101 is available in the parent table, then only you can insert in the child table. Now we will run this. You can see one row inserted. In the same way, we will insert 2 more rows. Now 102 is available in customer table in the customer ID, so we can insert into the child table. I have inserted 3 rows into the orders table. Now we will fetch the data from the orders table. You can see there are 3 rows present in the orders table. Again, I am inserting another row into the orders table. You can see 104 is available in customer table or not. It is not. I am inserting the value 104 in the CID. Now we will see what happens. You can see there is an error, integrity constraint violated, parent key not found. CID is a reference ID here. It should be in the parent table, only then it is acceptable in the child table. You can see 104 is an unreferenced value because 104 is not available in the parent table, so you cannot insert 104 into the child table. That is how we build the relationship between two tables using primary key and foreign key concept. Thanks for watching.